Welcome back. Just before this lesson, I provided a guideline for this challenge. So I hope you've given that challenge a try. If you've not, you can pause the video now and give it a try. So in this lesson, we are going to be solving this challenge. The first thing we have to do is to ask for the age of the user. So we are going to say age is equal to, I'm going to have input, all right? We're going to have input, so I'm going to say enter your age, okay? So we're going to put all of this inside of an integer function so that it's going to convert it to an integer, okay? After that, we are going to have multiple conditional statements. So the first one, we're going to say if age is less than 0, okay? So that's an invalid age. Nobody should be less than 0 years old, okay? Even a baby is 0.1, 0.2, 6 months. 6 months should be 0.5 years old. So any age that is less than 0, that's a negative number. So there's no age that is less than 0. So we're going to say invalid age, all right? Okay, so after that, we are going to have elif, okay? So the next condition is we are to print child if the age is less than 13. So we're going to say if age is less than 13, okay? So here we have colon, then we are going to print, okay? So we are going to print you are a child, right? Okay, so after that, we have another condition. This condition is saying if age is between 13 and 19. So we can as well say if age is less than 20, okay? Since this is if age is between 13 and 19, so we can as well say if age is less than 20. Okay, so I have my nums lock on, so that's giving me an error. Okay, now we can print. So you are going to say you are a teenager, okay, and a teenager. All right, so after that, if the age is between 20 and 64, we are going to say elif. There are multiple ways you can write your condition. The goal is to arrive at the correct answer, so you ensure that your logic is correct. Okay, so if the age is between 20 and 64, you can say if age is less than, if age is less than, let's say 65. Okay, so we're going to print you are an adult. You are an adult. Okay, so if any of this condition is not true, we're going to say else. Okay, so after that, we are going to print, going to say you are a senior. All right, so this is the implementation of our program. If we run this now, okay, so you can say enter your age. All right, so in front of this, we can put a colon, okay, and the space. Let's rerun that. What do we have? Okay, so stop and rerun. Enter your age. So let me enter 15. So I am a teenager because 15 is less than 20. 15 is less than 20 and it is also less than 65. But this condition comes first. So this is the block of code that will be executed. All others will be skipped. At the beginning, Python is going to check the provided age is it less than 0. If it is less than 0, this line will be executed. If it is not, it proceeds to the next condition. So it checks, is age less than 13? If it is true, it executes this, but it is false because 15 is not less than 13. So it proceeds to the next condition. So is age less than 20? Age is 15, so age is less than 20. That means this condition is true. So it's going to execute this and all other conditions will be skipped. All right. So that's the solution to this challenge. I will see you in the next lesson.